Hi friends, welcome to Programming Made Easy. This is Santosh Avalamurthy. Today we are going to see one of the important collections of Python, that is dictionary. So we'll be seeing in detail on what is a dictionary, how to define a dictionary, what are the various functions of the dictionary, how to add new items, how to loop through the items, how to delete the items from the dictionary, and many more with practical examples. So let's get started. So those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel to get the regular updates on various videos that I make. Okay, let's start. A dictionary or dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. So one important aspect of the dictionary, so if you take in any programming language, basically it's a key value pair. It's one of the collections in Python. As we have seen in the previous videos, there are various collections in Python such as list, tuple, set, etc. So dictionary is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. Now, what is ordered? Ordered means the items in a dictionary are will be in a particular sequence. The first item in the dictionary will be returned first and the last item will be returned in the last. Now, some of the collections are unordered, means you will not know which item will return when you are looping through. Changeable means you can change the values of the keys. You can add new items, you can remove the items from the dictionary. It does not allow duplicates. So this is applicable for the keys. Okay. We can have duplicate values. That means you can assign same value for different keys, but you cannot have more than one key of the same name. So dictionaries are written with curly brackets and dictionary items are presented in key value pairs and can be referred to by using the key name. Now let's see, we'll write simple code on defining the dictionary and how to access the values of particular keys. Okay. So first let us define the dictionary here. So I'm going to use employee dictionary. So as we just saw, we can define the dictionary within the curly brackets. So a dictionary is nothing but a key value pair separated by colon. So let's declare some items in this dictionary. So first the name, Santosh. So when you want to add multiple items to the dictionary, you have to separate using semicolon. Then last name, A, city, Bangalore, age 40. So this is the dictionary and the last item should not have the semicolon. So please keep that in mind. So now let's print this dictionary. Just do print employee dictionary. So now let's see what is the output of this. So you can see here the dictionary is printed, first name, last name, city and age. Now if I want to access the value of first name, so employee dictionary square bracket key name. So I want to get the first name. So let's see what is the output. It gives Santosh. So in order to access any key value, you have to use square bracket and then the key. This is one of the method. So to determine how many items are there in a dictionary, we can use len function. So let's say print length of employee dictionary. So this returns 4. Okay. So the values in a dictionary items can be of any data type. Now if you see here, this is a string value and this is a number. So let me add some more items here. So one is graduate. It's a boolean to indicate whether your employee is graduated or not. So this is a boolean value I'm giving as true. Then I will declare one more as hobbies, which is be a list. So list is basically between the square bracket. Then one is watching TV and another one is learning new things. Right? Now let's print this. So I can say so graduate true hobbies, which is a list. Again, you have seen this, right? So here, what it means is as a value, you can assign any data type. It can be a string, it can be integer, float value, boolean. You can even a list or even a dictionary can also be the value type for a particular key. Dictionaries are defined as objects with the data type dictionary. So let's see what is the data type of this dictionary. Print type of my employee dictionary. So it will show as big. Okay. So access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside square brackets, which we have already done. We can also do the same using get method. So here, if I want to get the same value, that is first name, I can also get it using employee dictionary dot get. Here we have to write the key name within the curve brackets. So F name. So again it gives Santosh. The keys method will return a list of all the keys in the dictionary. So if you want to get only the key names, you can do print employee dict dot keys. Okay. Think something happened. So let me close and open.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So the keys method will return a list of all the keys in the dictionary. So let's see here. So I've already printed it, employee dictionary dot keys. So this will give the list of all the keys which are there in your particular dictionary. The values method will return a list of all the values in the dictionary. Now if I want to get only the values, so all you need to do is print employee dictionary dot values. So this will return the values. So you can see Santosh A Bangalore. So these are the values of my keys. The items method will return each item in a dictionary as tuples in a list. Okay. So now remember this, an item in a dictionary is nothing but a key value pair. So it is having the key as well as value. So when you call the items method, it returns the key as well as the value. Print employee dictionary dot items. So you can see here it's giving the key as well as value as a list within a tuple. So tuple, why? Because it's declared within the curve brackets, right? Next, to determine if a specified key is present in a dictionary, use the in keyword. So this is a very useful function. Many of the times we need to identify if my particular key is part of the dictionary or not as part of the logic. So many times we need to search if a particular key is already there or not. For that we need to use in function, which is basically returns either a true or a false. So let's say print, I want to check if first name is in the dictionary, if name in employee dictionary. So what it will return? It returns true because first name is already part of the dictionary. Let's say if whether date of birth is part of the dictionary or not. Print date of birth in employee dictionary. It should return false because I don't have a key called date of DOB in my dictionary. So this is a very useful function. So change the value of a specific item by referring to its key name. So whenever you want to change the value of a particular key, so it is you have to just assign the value to the particular key. Okay, how do I do it? So let's say I want to change the age of this employee. Employee dictionary of age is equal to 35. Okay, now print employee dictionary of age. So this will return 35 because I am assigning value 35 to this particular key. You can also assign the value using the update method, but in update method you need to pass the value as a dictionary what key you need to update. Okay, so if I want to use that, I should do employee dictionary dot update. So I will declare a dictionary. I'll say age. I'll again assign it to 40 and print employee dict of age. So now what we are doing, so I'm calling update function. I'm passing a dictionary where I want to update the age value. So now it will return 40 because 40 is assigned to age key. Now if you want to add an item to the dictionary, it is done by using a new index key and assigning the value to it. So if I want to add a new key, let's say I want to add the mobile number. The way I have to do it, employee dictionary of mobile number is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Now if I print my employee dictionary, that will have mobile number. Okay. So now before we go to removing the items, I want to show one more thing. Now we told the key has to be unique. I mean duplicate keys are not allowed. Now let's say I will add one more city, same key, but with different value. Now I'll give Mysore. Let's see what will happen. So what happens now is my dictionary in the dictionary city is assigned with Mysore. So it is no more Bangalore. So when you have a duplicate key in the particular dictionary, it takes the last value that is assigned to the key. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. Okay, next. So if I want to remove a particular key or a particular item, okay, from the dictionary, I can use pop method and pass the key value and it removes that particular item. Okay. Now let's say I want to remove city here, employee dictionary dot pop age. Okay, so we are removing age and now I am printing the dictionary. So now if my dictionary, there will not be age. Okay, so there is no age here, all other things are there. If you use pop item method, it removes the last inserted item. Okay, now if I call the same, so what is the last inserted item? So mobile number, so it removes mobile number item, the key value pair, employee dictionary dot pop item and then print employee dictionary. So now my dictionary will not have mobile number. Next. So there is also other ways to remove the items. So one of the way is del keyword, delete basically. So it removes the item with the specified key name. So one functionality, you can remove a particular key value pair. And if you don't pass any key, then it deletes the whole dictionary. Okay. Now clear method empties the dictionary. So if I say employee dictionary dot clear, then if you print it, it will be empty. Okay. So now what I will do, I will comment this portion of the code because I want to keep the dictionary for some more functionality. So I'll be commenting this portion of code. Next. Now we will see how to loop through a dictionary. Again, this will be a very common functionality that we'll be using because looping is one of the key usages of the dictionary, right? We use the looping for various logic. So we can loop through a dictionary by using a for loop. So it's a very simple code for key in employee dictionary print key. So what this will do is it loops through the keys and prints all the keys, right? So first name, last name, city, age, graduate, everything. Now if you want to loop through using the values, we can use values method. And if you want to loop through the keys, there is another way, that is keys method. Okay. So we'll see both here. So for value in employee dictionary dot values, print value. So what this will do, it prints the values of the dictionary. It loops through the values. Okay. Now looping through the keys will be same as this. Okay. Now the code I am writing for key in employee dot keys. So this is same as what I wrote first, the loop. Okay. So this also will give the same output, right? Basically, it loops through the keys and I'm printing the key values. Now, if you want to loop through both keys and values, so you want to get the key value as well as its corresponding value, we can use items method. Okay. Now, for x comma y in employee dictionary dot items, print x comma y. So now what it will do, loops through these items and prints both key and value. So you can see first name Santosh, last name city age. So everything is there, right? So you can see multiple ways. There are multiple ways in which we can loop through a dictionary. Now let's see how to do the copy operation. Okay. Now in order to do copy operation, there are two methods. One is copy, another one is using dict. Okay. Now one thing you need to keep in mind, very important thing, you cannot just make a copy of the dictionary by using equal to. So dictionary 1 equal to dictionary 2. It's basically a reference to the dictionary 1, means whatever changes you do to dictionary 1, it will also affect dictionary 2. So but if you want a separate copy, you have to use copy method or dict method. Okay, so let's see how. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to declare, I will have two dictionary objects, employee dictionary 1 equal to employee dict dot copy, and one more dictionary, employee dict 2 is equal to employee dict sorry, dict of employee dict. Okay. So if you want to declare an empty dictionary, if you do dict without any dictionary object, then it creates a empty dictionary. Okay, so just keep that in mind. If you, whenever you want to have an empty dictionary object, you can just say employee dict2 equal to dict and only the brackets. Okay. Now what I will do, I will add two separate keys to employee dictionary 1 and employee dictionary 2, and then we will see all the three values. So employee dictionary 1 of, I will add height to this. Height is equal to 160, and employee dictionary of 2, its weight is equal to 70. Now let's print employee dictionary, print employee dictionary 1 and print employee dictionary 2. Okay, now let's see what happens. So now this is employee dictionary, the original one, employee dictionary 1 with height key, employee dictionary 2 with weight key. Now all three are independent dictionary. Okay, so these are the two methods where you can create a copy. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. So if you like this video, do like it and don't forget to share with your friends and family. If you are not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and do comment me on what are the topics I need to cover or what is the improvement I need to make. So thank you everyone for watching the video and till the next video, bye bye, take care, see you.